Hey, hello everyone. Today in this short video, I'm going to say how to start a business. First of all, there are 6 steps you have to follow everyone one by one. First step, let's discuss find a real problem. You have to find a real problem. Ask people what frustrates you every day. Means you have to go to the people and you have to ask what the real problem you face and it make you more frustrated in life. Okay, don't jump to make a product. Okay, directly a business starts when you fix a problem, not just showing your creativity with your own with your own ideas. Okay, listen, you have to solve a problem. Okay, not just to show your creativity. Okay, but i- along with your creativity, you have to fix a problem of the society, then your business will run. In step 2, make a simple version. Means what? First of all, you have already found the problem of people, what make it frustrate. Okay, then make a simple version of a product or service. This is called an MVP. This is called an MVP. Don't make it perfect, just make it work. Just how it's work. Just suppose make it for taste. Okay, then taste with people. How will you test? Ask you. Okay, suppose you have already asked people that what your problem, what is the main problem you face. So I am here with a service or product I have solved. I am going to solve your problem with this product or with this service. They are provided and they like it. And at a time you just ask them that how do you rate if we are going to stop this product, if my product will vanish from this or will vanish, or my service which we are providing will stop. If the people say that, it will be very disappointed for them. If 40% people will say that it will be very disappointed for them, then your idea is very strong, means your product market is fit. Okay, that third step is gone, discuss that test with people. Then the fourth step is grow fast. How will you grow your business? Now try many methods. uh, you have to advertise your product, okay, or service. Try many methods and give examples. Suppose give advertisement or make reels, video referrals, make some offers, make some new innovative idea with your product. Okay, after product market fit, then you have to innovate your product. Otherwise your cost will go into hands. Okay, because if you make a product which you think that it is genuine, but people don't purchase it, don't like it, and don't solve the real problem of there. If you make a ready-made product and that doesn't fit the market, then your all the cost and all the labor you have given it, that will go in vain. Okay, so step by step just follow. That fourth step is grow fast, and then the fifth step is build a system. Make a simple system that brings customers every day. This is your growth engine. You have to make a system that your customers will what increase day by day. Okay, and the last step is track everything, what works, what doesn't work, improve every week. If you sell your product, after selling, your duty is that you have to ask the customers how do they satisfied, rate. So make some rating. Want any improvement, ask them. You have to ask everything. Tracking is a mandatory part of every business. So want any more tips, please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.